Hey everyone, Akash here and I welcome you all to my YouTube dev channel. So guys, in this video we will continue coding our Vue.js chat application. Okay, so the component that we are going to code today is profile section. Okay, as you can see. Okay, so a simple heading and our image. Okay, and a pencil icon and two field basically for name and for description and two buttons. Okay, so as usual we will simply go to our GitHub account, and from here we will simply copy this template code. Okay, and we will paste it in our file. So friends, you can also code along. Just pause the video and continue. Okay, so as you can see, we have a simple like heading and a simple div. Okay, so simple div for this image, simple pencil icon, font awesome icon. Okay, and input type equals to file to basically open that box from where you can choose your profile picture. And at the red change is it is also an event listener. Okay, that will get called when we will choose any picture. And guys, two buttons, okay, with the event listener and the respective functions. Okay, so let's create our state. Okay, so we need Firebase document ID. Okay, we need ID, we need name, we also need description. Okay, yeah, one more thing, we need to keep a check whether, like, if our local storage has this thing, like, it if it have the name, then only we will be assigning the name that we have, or else we will just give double quotes, like, empty string. Do the same process for description. And the image URL. Okay, and new photo is basically like a null object where we will be storing our image object. Okay, I mean to say file object. Now let's create the method step by step. First we will be creating go back. Okay, so by this we will simply go back to the chat component. uh, let's see uh, how is the flow. Okay, so friends, now we will code change avatar function. In change avatar function, what we are doing, as usual, we select the image. Okay, so we get that file. Okay, and we get that in event.target.files at 0. Okay, at 0th index. Okay, now what we will do, we will check its Now what we will do, we will check its like type. Okay, if its type is not image, then we will then we will simply throw an error, or else we will continue. Okay. Okay, so or else what we can do is we will simply um, store that object. Okay, like this dot new photo equals event dot target dot files at 0, at 0th index. Okay, and we will also create a object URL, so that we can show a temporary image to user. um, Okay, now when the user clicks on save button, this function upload avatar gets called. Okay, so in this what we do is we check, uh, what we do is we simply check if we are having our photo, okay, the file, then we will simply upload our file to our storage. Okay, Firebase storage that Firebase provides us. Okay, like using like firebase.storage.ref. Okay, it's a relative part to analyze initialize the reference with, and we can also give a relative path like a child. Okay, from this reference, you can read this, the info box that we are getting. Okay, and now we will simply put the I mean to say object. Okay, the blob, this dot new photo. Okay, so now what we can do, once we upload our image, okay, now we need to get the download URL. Okay, so let's write the code to get the download URL. Okay, okay, so once we get the download URL, we need to call this function update user info. So what we will do in update user info, we will simply pass the true, I mean to say boolean option and the URL. Okay, so in update user info, um, we are going to basically save, okay, store our like this new object into our database. Okay, as we are updating, so we have to update this data into our Firebase Firestore also, and in our local storage also. So let's uh, code update user info. Okay, but before this, let me tell you, like if we have the like photo, then we will send the true. Else if the user only wants to update his or her name and description and do not wants to update his photo, then we can simply send false, and for URL we can simply send null. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have created our object, okay, respectively. Like if URL is present, then we have a separate object, and if it is not present, then we have a separate object. And we can simply what we have to do is we have to, like, run a update query. Okay, so firestore firebase.firestore.collection, name of your collection dot doc document, because we cannot update in this in any document, we have to only update this for the corresponding user. Okay, so update and the new object that we want to give, and obviously we will be getting a response here also. So once we get a positive response, we will simply update our local storage also. Okay, so cool. Yeah, friends, here also, like in this created lifecycle loop, we will check if the user is not logged in, then we have to push him to like the home page. Okay, that is login page. Okay, so now just go to the profile page. Okay, so yeah, our condition is working that we have written in created block. Okay, so let's log in. Yeah, we were thrown out because as you can see, there was no ID, no data in our local storage. Okay, so we are also getting a font awesome icon error, which we will be resolving in few minutes. Okay, so guys, what you can do is just go, and what I will be doing is I will just copy it down. Okay, so my index.html uh, and all these links, these are all CDN basically, which I will be needing for this project. Okay, so friends, for that pencil icon, font awesome icon, we need to run these three commands. Okay, like one is this for svg core, svg icon, and view font awesome. Okay, so just quickly run these three commands. Okay. Okay, so once we have once we have run those three commands, we need to set up configure the font awesome icon in our main.js file. Okay, so let's configure it. Okay, let's take some help from the documentation. Okay, so cool, we got our pencil icon. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload a new profile picture. Yeah, cool. Vegeta looks cool. Okay, so guys, right now we are showing it with the help of that url.object url.create object url. Okay, that we created. Okay, it's for temporary purpose only. And now let's make some changes, and let's click on save and see whether our update function works or not. Okay, not. Yeah, cool. So guys, as you can see, we have got our url from the Firebase storage. Okay. Yeah, we can also check this in our Firebase storage. Okay. Okay. Yeah, cool. So here you can see we have got our image. Okay, cool. So yeah, you can also click on that image. Okay. Yeah. So we have got our download URL basically. Now friends, what we can do is we can also show a toast. Okay, like once the profile is updated, we will simply show a toast. Okay, so let's do that code also. Okay, so as you can see that we have got our photo URL updated in our database, and yes, it will be also updated in our local storage. Okay, cool. So we have also got our toast profile updated. So guys, this is it for this video, and if you have liked this video, then do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.